let's go ahead and make a steampunk hat for my skull head here. Now, if you want to make one for yourself, you can. The same rules will apply. You just measure your own head. So let's go around. He is coming in roughly around 19 inches. So let's cut that out. Now we've got our two pieces. We are going to have to do something. So with all cardboard, they have what they class as air pockets that run all the way along. What we're going to need to do for this project is to score each particular one all the way through because it's just too stiff for what we need. So let's go ahead and do that. So now that we've got those pieces done, we are going to glue the smooth sides together, these two pieces, and leave the ridges on the outside. So top tip is we're going to be using a lap join, which means that we're going to be gluing the pieces off center. So it basically gives the cardboard a stronger and better hold when we lap them together. I'm also going to want to do the same for the top and the bottom lip. So let me just quickly draw that through and let's get gluing. Okay, we need to make the top and the rim of the hat. So I will take the body of the hat to get the dimensions that I need. I'll just draw inside for the top and on the outer side for the rim. What I tend to do with this, I'll do it on a scrap piece of paper or a scrap piece of card, as you can see. Then I get my tape measure and I'll just measure it through just so I get more of an accurate measurement here. So obviously that one's coming in at 6 inches. So that's for the top of the hat, and the rim of the hat's going to come roughly about 1/2 inch out. So it's about 6.5 inches. We've got all our pieces now. We've got the two rims and we've got the two pieces for the top of our hat. Before we do anything though, we want to make sure that everything fits. So here, as you can see, we've got the rim, which will be the top of the hat. Let's see if that fits. Yeah, that's not a bad fit, pretty good. Let's take the rim. Let's just, as you can see, it's going to be along this side. Let's just see, make sure. If there's a few gaps, it doesn't really matter because once it's glued and covered, you're not going to see any of that. Oops. There we go. There we go. It's going to look pretty good once it's all together. So let's go ahead and glue all that. Now that we have our base structure of the hat, it's time to cover it. So today I'm going to be using sticky back felt, which I got off Amazon, really cheap. It's great stuff, sticks really well. To get the measurements, I just literally put everything over the hat and do this as I go along, just so that I get some overlap. So let's go ahead and do that. So now our hat is covered. We are going to need to decorate it. We need to do the rim first. We need to cover that. So I'm going to use some black ribbon. It's 6mm wide. So that will go around the rim. A pair of goggles. Got these again off Amazon. A feather and some green burlap to go around the bottom of the hat, and obviously some steampunk cogs. So let's get decorated. I think it turned out pretty well. Let me know in the comments below what you think. And again, if you liked my video, don't forget to subscribe. And thanks for watching.